Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Dow Inc step by step clearly. Research the company and its performance. Visit Dow Inc's official website and review its financial reports. Check reputable financial news sources for recent updates. Analyze the overall market environment and its effect on Dow Inc. Determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Decide how much money you are willing to invest. Choose a brokerage account that suits your needs. Open your brokerage account by providing necessary personal information. Complete any required documentation and funding procedures. Explore the types of accounts available, such as individual or retirement options. Search for Dow Inc using its stock ticker symbol, which is Dow. Review the stock's recent price trends and historical performance. Use technical and fundamental analysis to evaluate the stock. Place a buy order for Dow shares through your brokerage platform. Choose the order type that fits your strategy, like market or limit orders. Confirm your order and monitor its execution to ensure it goes through. Consider setting up alerts for stock price movements. Keep track of your investment's performance over time. Review your portfolio periodically to adjust as needed. Stay informed on market conditions and news related to Dow Inc. Consult with a financial advisor if you need additional guidance. Be patient and stay focused on your long-term investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.